Hello, good day, and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with NECO 2019 Mathematics Past Question, question 27. Let P a logical statement which says Ade is lazy, and Q another logical statement, he fails the examination. Write the following statements in symbolic form. His failure in the examination is due to his laziness. A, P or Q. B, P and Q. C, P implements Q, and D, Q implements P, and E, negation of P implements was fuck. Hello, good day, and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with NECO 2019 Mathematics Past Question, question 27. Now we have logical statements P and Q, and logical statements P says Ade is lazy, and Q says he fails the examination. Now the question, write the following statements in symbolic form. The statement is his failure in the examination is due to his laziness. Now the options: A, P or Q. B, P and Q. C, P implies Q. D, Q implies P, and E, not P, implies Q. Now this is a logical word statement. P, Ade is lazy, and logical statement Q, he fails the examination. Now we are now asked to represent these two statements in symbolic form, having that we have the statement derived from these two statements, and this is his failure in the examination is due to his laziness. Now this is the word statement, and this is the logical word statement, that is, this is the backbone of this statement. Now we have to represent this statement in a symbolic form, and like we know in logical statements, we have what we call the implication, that is when a statement implies another statement. Now let's go with the statement says his failure in the examination is due to his laziness. This simply means that Ade failed because of his laziness, meaning that he fails the examination implies to his laziness. Now he fails the examination. This is the first part of this statement. The second part is due to his laziness. Now this is the reason why he failed the examination, and this simply means he fails the examination, and his failure in the examination is statement Q. He fails the examination, so we can just simply write that statement Q. Now why did he fail this examination? He simply failed this examination because of his laziness, and that is statement P. Ade is lazy. So simply we can just simply say Q implies P, that is his failure in the examination, which can also be written as he fails the examination because of his laziness, which is due to his laziness, simply means that statement Q, which is he fails the examination, implies P, that is it is because of his laziness that he failed the examination. So Q implies statement P. Q implies statement P. Now let's check the options. Which of these corresponds to our answer? Option A says P or Q. No, that's not what we're looking for. Option B says P and Q. No. Now C says P implies Q. If it was P implies Q, we would have had that Ade is lazy and he failed the examination. That would have been the order. If we had Ade is lazy and he failed the examination, that would have been C, that is P, Ade is lazy, so therefore, let's remove this, and so he failed the examination. Now that would have been C, meaning that option, that statement P implies statement Q. But now this is the order. His failure in the examination, so statement Q comes before statement P, is due to his laziness. Now option D says what? Q implies P. Yes, this is the correct answer. And statement E says what? Not P. Not P now simply means what? Ade is not lazy, and this is already wrong. So the answer to this question is option D. His failure in the examination, which is Q, is due to his laziness, implies what? Ade is lazy. Statement P. So option D is the correct answer. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos.